Hi friends, this is Shannon. I'm from SOSC University, Source University. So we started uploading Power BI trainings, guys. So pre-Power BI training, we started uploading in our channel. So you can search for SOSC University in the YouTube, and then you can just go with the first channel. You can see this is our first channel, Society of Software Engineers. You go to SOSC University, there go to playlists. Okay. So if you go to the playlist there, you can see the first playlist, okay, free Power BI trainings. So there you can see total 14 videos, guys. So all these videos are scheduled from today onwards. So from today onwards, like every day morning at 10 a.m. So one video will be posted. Okay. For every 2 days, one video will be posted in the morning 10 a.m. Okay. So like this, we just planned for this Power BI training, guys. Completely it's free. So complete Power BI training we covered. And you see here, currently there are 14 videos are there. And we are also planning to upload Power BI interview sessions also. So in future, once this is completed, so we'll plan to upload the Power BI interview sessions and all, so that it will be very useful for who are trying for the jobs on Power BI with 1 year experience, 2 years experience, and 3 years experience. So for them, it will be more okay useful, guys. So we covered most of the things in this training, and even we are planning to cover Power BI interview sessions also, which are very useful. So in case if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe so that when the video is published, directly you will get a notification, and you can watch that video, and you can gain knowledge, and you can get the experience on the Power BI. So this video I have also like this video. We can also see like how to practice the real-time setup and all, how configure the real-time setup and all. So you can easily practice. Okay, so using these videos and also you'll get a lot of knowledge after watching these videos, guys. Okay, make use of this free Power BI training, and still if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to our channel SOS University. And thank you so much, guys.